everyone, we're at racing. We're at Mortimer Motocross track and we're just setting up. We are racing on Sunday and Monday. My dad and his passenger Graham are riding a 1982 Honda this weekend. I'm in charge of this video and I'll be showing you the ins and outs of motocross pits. After a year of the Honda running incorrectly, we are proud to say at our last race meeting we succeeded our goals and got a good run. So we hope we get good results this time and we'll see you later. Everyone, we're currently by the track. This is the track that we're going to be racing at tomorrow. It's quite wet now, but hopefully it will be a bit better in the morning. We're just hoping that it will be a nice day and a nice track tomorrow. We're probably going to do this, then chill out for a bit, then we'll probably go to bed. So we'll see you in the morning. Bye! Practice. In practice, we went out and the bike was a bit fluffy, but we're sorting it. We're hoping to go out in race 1. For race 1, we waited an hour and a half for the track to start because of track alterations. We got off the line in last because they put us in a muddy ditch and the other bikes spat mud at us. We pulled off and we were just tinkering with the bike to make it run right. We have a 45-minute lunch break before the next sidecar race. Race 2. We haven't gone out in race 2 because we need more tinkering time, but we'll be out in the last race though. Chilling. We have over 4 hours to chill and prep the bike, but we are hoping it runs right for race 3. Race 3. Last race of Sunday. We went out and we got 6th. We're just going to chill till night. We're happy with our results and I will report back tomorrow. Bye! Hello, I just wanted to do a silly little video, sorry. Erin reporting for Monday. Today is a new day and we're hoping to achieve more. We're just having breakfast and I'm having Nutella toast. Sometimes it's a long process for putting kit on, all the body armour in, etc. Again, we have 3 races to finish and a lot of fun to have. We'll see how it goes.
Morning.
Good morning. Practice. We did our 2 laps of practice and the bike went well. Race 1. We went out on race 1 and did 3 out of 5 laps. Lunch break. They have decided to have a lunch break, but we'll be straight back afterwards. Race 2. In race 2 we came 10th. We're just waiting for race 3. Race 3. In race 3 we went out and we only did 2 laps because my dad's passenger Graham has hurt his back. We're just packing away and then we'll drive home and get our ass, probably KFC. Thanks for watching guys, bye!